Look, Phenom, now hiring. Get on your jobs, yo. Word up, look. When it comes to war, I got immaculate diligence. Soldiers into with personas that implements militants. Not worry about no death or no life imprisonment, cause I eat years deliciousness while biting my sentences. Yeah. Strategical tactics, I'm squeezing off Maddox. So 41 up in your jersey like Dirk off the Mavericks. So they the telly jerk niggas, they receiving a clash and catch 2 wells to they record like the weed when you match it. And the fiends be fiending, so I feed them that cratchit. Solution to my distribution, no diluting is savage. Scar you for life like Rod, you Hadouken and sagging. And on fly, so I guess I'm due producing these maggots. Both the black yang fitted, got the Ruger the magic. Or CPS, could this dude just abusing this rap shit? I don't know who he confusing this cat with, cause you'll get your jaw wired flash like computer attachments. Work, we be barking on the best, and I ice on the chain, looking like the Arctic on my neck. But the coupe, I done started with a Lex, then the whip need a change. So I had a Parker with it set. Then the shorty saw me like a target in my chest, and she got in the car cause she bought her with a check. Then I pressed on the gas like I fought her with a step. That artist that he rep is the fathers from the best. Hoes like me cause I'm larger than the rest, and the head was overrated, but it bothered with her neck. And I played that back, and I paused it, then I left. And I smoking mad green like a garden full of Shrek. And shorty's got me as a fetish, cause I make green like lettuce. And my team get the credit, but I'm coasting on the ocean with a scene where it's wettest. Took him 13 and got my ring like Bettis. Deaded to J Moore, that's where I'm headed. Girls love me, dog, I ain't gon' sweat it. Haters hate, bother me, I ain't gon' let it, cause I'm only 23, I don't need that